Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Cloud SQL. Google Cloud SQL is a powerful, fully managed relational database service that handles all the patching, backups, and replication for you. It supports popular database engines such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQL Server, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than database administration. This service offers high availability and robust security features, making it an excellent choice for many workloads. To create your first Cloud SQL instance, begin by navigating to the Cloud SQL section within the Google Cloud Console. You will then select your preferred database engine, such as MySQL or PostgreSQL, and choose a suitable region for your data. Next, configure essential instance settings like the machine type and storage capacity, which can range from 10 gigabytes to 64 terabytes. Finally, set a strong root password for your database user to ensure security. Connecting to your Cloud SQL instance is straightforward. You can use the Cloud Shell for quick access or connect from a local client application using the Cloud SQL proxy, which provides a secure connection. For external applications, you will need to authorize their IP addresses in the instance settings. Remember to use a connection string that includes your instance's public IP, username, and the password you set earlier. Enabling SSL/TLS is highly recommended for encrypted data transfer. Managing your Cloud SQL instance involves several key practices. Regularly schedule automated backups to Google Cloud Storage to ensure data recoverability, with retention periods configurable up to 365 days. Monitor instance performance using cloud monitoring dashboards to identify and address bottlenecks. You can scale your instance vertically by increasing CPU and memory, or horizontally by adding read replicas to distribute read traffic and enhance overall application responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.